It is September 4th. And yeah. If you guys can see this. Let me move it over here by the. There we go. There he is. Okay, I'm guilty of this one. The kids did not catch it. I did. It's like a little gecko, and they just brought him to me. He turned green, as he was brown earlier. So they were just showing me that he turned green, and they wanted me to show you guys. There he is. And had he not been this small and harmless looking, I wouldn't have trapped him. Because I am very afraid of lizards and geckos and all kinds of things like this. I remember when I was about 13, I had my window open. One Saturday I was cleaning my room, and as I usually do, and one of them crawled in my room, and it was big, and I couldn't get it out. And yeah, so I don't like them, but he was cute, and I knew they would like him. And I see them all the time. I just can't get them because they're usually big. But this one was so small that I was able to get them. So, yep. And they just dropped some kind of bug in here. There he is. So we'll find out. Oh, they're outside getting more bugs. Yep, there's a new pet. And this little sucker is fast. He likes to jump. So I'm not sure exactly his name. We haven't classified him yet, but we will try to. So anywho, yeah. Lots of nature around here. In fact, I had just earlier I was outside and I heard a pecking, and I could not figure out what it was, and then I looked up in the tree. It was a woodpecker, and before I could grab the camera and the kids, he got farther up the tree and he stopped pecking. So hopefully I will be able to catch one of those on, no, not catch one on camera. Oh yeah, my kids are going to turn into a regular zoo around here. Yeah, that's not uncommon for us. We've had raised turtles, and in a turtle tank, a huge one. I think it was about 4 turtles. 2 huge fish tanks. We've had guinea pigs. We've had hamsters, bunnies, dogs, all at the same time. So, gotta love animals. But these things, yeah. Anywho, hope you guys enjoy. And we shall return.